Oh! Balls. I know I said balls, but seriously. Usually for this trick you need 2. But today, I have 1 ball. No, seriously, I have 1 ball for this trick. So, I'm going to be teaching you the viral magic trick that you have seen everywhere on the internet. TikTok, YouTube, everywhere. Including Instagram. What? It's on the gram. This trick has got me millions of views. Are you ready? What it looks like is this. So watch the ball, have any ball, I'm going to place it into my hand, just like this. It'll magically make it completely vanish, just like that. But where did it go? Stay tuned to find out. So, for this trick, you need 1 ball, or 2, you can use 2, but right now we're going to use 1. And what you want to do is kind of like scissor cut it, and just kind of have just like a little bit cut, just like this. Make sure you have it kind of tight so it accidentally, like, you know, that happens on accident. Kind of have it tight just a little bit, and try to make sure like you don't like see it on this side very easily, like this. Or you can just hold it like in the middle like this, or like this. Either way, totally works perfectly. And what you want to do is when you go to cover it, you bring it back into your hand just like this. Cover, squeeze it, bring it back, close your hand. Now it's over here. Everyone thinks it's over here, and what you can do is put your ball in your pocket, or you can just have it in this hand and vanishes, and then reveal it's in this hand. So slow motion, it should look like this all together. I'm going to place the ball into my hand just like this. Vanishes, and wait a minute. Reappears right here. What in the world? How did that happen? And so all together it should look like this once you practice. So I'm gonna take my ball, put it in my hand just like this, and 3, 2, 1. Finishes and reappears. And so what it should kind of look like on this side is, you know, you have it right here, place it, and then I'll 3, 2, 1. It's right here, and place it, switch it, just like that. If you guys love that video, hit the subscribe button, leave a like, turn on post notifications for a shout out. I've been wanting to do shout outs, yet for some reason, some of you guys haven't been wanting to shout out. No one's commented done, and no one's entered the post notification shout out. So if you want to be the first person entered in a post notification shout out, what are you waiting for? Join the Magic Fam. Hit the subscribe button. Like this video. Turn on post notifications and comment done down below. And at the end of my next video, you'll be entered in post notification shout out in the end of my next video. I love you guys so much. Keep loving magic. And I'm out. See you next time. And real quick, this video can blow minds. You're awesome.